philosophy of Foamglas is to make eco-friendly product that is insulation for building and industry, and make that sustainable and with as less energy consumption as possible. We are constantly improving our energy consumption and doing that with 6S and lean techniques in order to improve our ecological value of our product. We also use recycled material to have a more eco-friendly product, which is very important in the building industry. To produce Foamglas, we first have to start with a very special glass, and that's why we have our glass melters. Glass melting is a very energy-consuming process in which we use electricity. And the next step is that the glass will be grinded in ball mills, and after that we foam the powder in a foaming furnace to get the final product. We participate in the demand response program because we also use a lot of renewable energy, windmills, and also solar panels. But to be able to use renewable energy, we also have to consider the problems of the distribution. And by participating in that program, we participate also in better distribution for energy. REstore came with a very interesting program where we were free to disconnect or connect whenever it's possible or not possible for us. So we have the flexibility and we can participate to a program, which is a big advantage. It was also financially very interesting without any risk for the company, so it was not very difficult to take a decision to go with the contract with REstore. The implementation of the system and the software happened very smoothly. They came with the equipment and with very specialized people, and we discussed directly with our people from computer control and PLC programmers, so that the technicians were talking together and fixed all the problems. That in a very short time we got our system adapted and their system installed, communication tested, and we could start to run very easily. The hardware that we got from REstore was completely free of charge, so we didn't invest any capital money in the project. They supplied all the equipment, we installed that, and then it was only connection and some software programming, because we wanted big consumers to be able to switch off automatically. So that is something we didn't want anybody else to do except our own programmers. But it was very easy to install in our PLC program. On a daily basis, there is not very much contact. Everything is going over the net. It's electronic communication. And from time to time, we have contact. We have done several tests with REstore, which went very well, to see if the response was as expected. We started here with Pittsburgh Corning the program in 2014. In the winter 2014, we had no request to switch off the power, but we were available. And just by being available, we had some money coming back from REstore. I would highly recommend REstore to anybody who can disconnect power, so that we can make our grids safer in Belgium, so that everybody can have power when they need. For us, it's important to participate with REstore in this program because it's part of our social responsibility. We use that in our social responsibility program to prove that we really want to use renewable energy, and this will probably help a lot to get good renewable energy and still safe grid and safe electricity providing.